Yeah, we are live now.
Oh, great. Fantastic. We have a lot of people. That's a good news.
You're live
So
now.
please switch on your cameras, my dear friends. I would like to see your face, and I'm sure you would like to see my face. Yeah, you can drop off, ma'am, if there is nothing else.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, thank you very much for joining in.
Thank you.
Yeah, appreciate your help. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Hello, how are you, sir?
Okay, just one by one. So my name is Murli Tangirala. I'm based out of Hyderabad, India. So I've been living here for last I think 15 years or so. Before that, I was living in Bombay. Okay, and I used to work in an IT company for about 22, 23 years. Then I moved to teaching. So I'm teaching Vedic mathematics now to some kids. Tomorrow is I think the 7th or 8th class, and some senior folks who got interested, who wanted me to teach them. So there is nothing to teach as such, but still we'll see how the how this program goes about. So quickly, a quick round of introduction. By the first child's name is Charvik. Am I right? Or
Yes, sir.
okay. So tell me, where are you from?
I'm from India, in Mysore.
Mysore. Great. Okay.
I-
Which class are you in?
I was my where my parents live is in India and I live in Kuwait. My school is DPS FAPES in Kuwait, class 3H.
So you are in Kuwait now.
Yeah, I'm in Kuwait now.
Okay.
And my name is Charvik. I'm from
Charvik.
Karnataka.
Full name?
What? Full
What's
name is
your
Charvik Manoj.
Charvik Manoj? Nice name. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Welcome. Okay, there is a student by the name Harish Tottu. He has Mohanji's photo, but can you please come online? Can you switch on your videos, please, in the class, or else I will switch off mine. Please don't switch off your videos and play here and there. Okay. Harish Tottu, can you please switch on your video?
Sir, it's Pradipha aunty.
Harish is me, Murliji.
I'm sorry, ma'am. Can you please repeat?
Harish is me, Pratibha. I have logged in from that account.
Oh, okay. Let's leave it over there. The next one is Dakshita. Dakshita, where are you from? Which school are you studying?
I'm from Kuwait. I'm doing third standard.
Third standard. Okay, not bad. Very good. And where are you from?
White.
Which city? I mean, like Bangalore, Hyderabad. Which city are you from?
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu. Excellent. That's the answer I was looking for. Great. Okay, the next one is Meera and Par. Okay, I don't know. I'm not getting the Parvati. So Meena and Parvati, can you please tell us as to where you are from, which class are you studying? Quickly.
Yeah, I'm studying in 6th standard.
Sixth standard. That's good. So we have one sixth standard, one third standard, and I'll check. And Parvati, which class are you in?
2nd standard.
Second standard. Okay, fine, no problem. And we have Arey wah. We are jumping on that chair. And we have Anvita.
I live in New Jersey, USA, and
Okay.
I am in 5th grade.
Fifth grade. So this is evening in India. So this must be morning to you, right? In New Jersey.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what time is it in your place?
It is 6:15, sir.
Okay, not that bad. Okay. Thank you everyone for joining. So we'll start the class with some interactions. I'll explain about Vedic mathematics. Okay, before I start, have you heard of Vedic mathematics before? Has anyone heard of Vedic mathematics? If anyone has heard, raise your hand. That's fine. If you don't know, also it's fine. If you know, you can tell me something about it. No? Okay, fine. So let me quickly share a document and we'll go through the document. Okay. Yeah, so this is the share. Okay, so this is the share. So let's make this an interactive one. And please don't switch off your videos in and off. Okay. Kindly switch on your video. Because if you switch off your video, your concentration will go there. Focus on what we are discussing. Any doubts? You can stop me anytime. You can ask me. I am more than willing to answer your questions and queries. Okay. Okay, let's start. So the agenda is about the Vedic mathematics, about the author, about Vedic mathematics and Vedas, what is covered by the author, the Swamiji in the book. So, you see this book? It's not so fat, but okay. So this is the book which was written by Swamiji, which describes the Vedic mathematics. Okay, I'll keep it here. And we'll start with some arithmetic computations today. And we'll do some exercises. So Vedic mathematics was Vedic mathematics is a book actually. It is written by an Indian monk. Now, do you understand who a monk is? If you don't, raise your hands. It's okay if you don't know. That's fine. We are all learning. Great. A monk is a Swamiji. Do you understand a Swamiji? Okay. A temple priest, something like that. Okay. So this book was now write notes. If you have a paper, pencil, I would appreciate if you write some notes with you because I'll be asking questions now based on what I've told you. Everybody. Like Meera and Parvati, you have switched off your camera. Kindly switch it on, or else I will switch off my camera. It is very clear. If you switch off your camera, I'll switch off my camera. Okay. So don't play with your camera. Focus here. Okay. So this Indian saint or monk or Swamiji, he first discovered the Vedic, the concept of Vedic mathematics and he published it in the year 1965, which was not long ago. It was just recently, not even 100 years back. But he did lot of research before that, to publish this book. Now this is how he looks like. Is the photo clear? Typically, he will look like a Swamiji with a saffron color cloth on top of his head, and also like a shirt and a dhoti. Typically saints are like that. So there were claims, you write notes If you write notes, then you can focus more, because I'll be asking questions now in a couple of minutes. Okay, now the Swamiji, what he did was, now there were a lot of critics. You understand what is a critic? Criticize, you understand? Criticize. If I criticize something, what does it mean?
Sir,
I tell something bad about it, right? So there were a lot of people who told that these books and these Vedic mathematics is all nonsense, and it is nothing but tricks. And in the Vedas, it is not written this. Okay. So some people told him that, but he didn't mind. He went ahead with his research and he progressed ahead. Okay. Now something about the author. Okay. Now before I go to the author, do you know the name of the author? Okay. The name of the author is Jagadguru Swami Sri Bharati Krishna Tirtha. Write it down in your book. Jagadguru Swami Sri Bharati Krishna Tirtha. Got it? It's like 4 or 5 words, but still write it slowly. It will help you for your own knowledge. Okay, coming back to the question, what is the meaning of Jagat Guru? Jagad means what? Jagad.
Universe.
Huh?
Universe.
Universe, correct. World. Jagat means world. So he's a guru of the world. He's a big man. That's what it means. Okay. Now he was a brilliant student when he was in college. He passed his matriculation. See, in those days in 1940s, they didn't have 10th standard, 12th standard. So they had something called matriculation from the Madras University, and he topped it. And he was extraordinarily proficient in Sanskrit language. Okay. He passed MA from the American College of Science, New York, from Bombay Center in 7 subjects. And Swamiji started, basically he lived during the freedom struggle. Okay, so when did the freedom struggle start? If I may ask you? Charvik. Yeah, so when did the Indian freedom struggle end or start?
The Indian freedom struggled when the United States and United Kingdom attacked.
1947.
Yeah, so the freedom struggle ended in the year 1947. So till the British ruled us for how many years? "200 years they ruled us." Okay, make a note of it. So imagine in those days when there were no support systems, when there was no help, no internet, no textbooks available. He has done his master's MA from the American College of Science. He was a topper. He was a brilliant student. Now he met a very famous person called Gopala Krishna Gokhale. Do you guys know who late Gopal Krishna Gokhale is? you must have read in his school books. I mean, I think Charvik is in, I think, some other place, I think Kuwait. It's difficult for him, but others can answer that. See, Gopal Krishna Gokhale was a freedom fighter. Okay. And he worked with Gandhiji a lot. He worked with Nehruji a lot. And he was connected to freedom movement in South Africa. Okay. Now tell me, this is not a mathematics question, but still, this is the first session. That's why I wanted to understand how much you know. In the South African freedom movement, one of the India's famous persons went there. Can you tell me who he was? Think. I'll give you a hint. He was our father of our nation.
It's Gandhi Jayan.
Gandhiji.
It's Gandhi.
Gandhiji. That's good. Very good. Brilliant answer. So Gandhiji. So Gandhiji went to South Africa, and he Swamiji, the one who wrote this book about Vedic mathematics, he came to public life under the guidance of Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Okay. But he didn't like it. He wanted to always do something different. Swamiji, he was more interested in mathematics and other things in life, like puja, spirituality, and things like that. So he went to a place called Sringeri in 1908 at the feet of Shankaracharya. So I have a couple of questions for you. Where is Sringeri?
Karnataka.
Perfect. Brilliant answer. Very good. Top class. And who is a Shankaracharya? Okay.
Thank you.
If you know, fine. If you don't know, there is nothing wrong in not knowing it. Everybody doesn't know everything. Even I don't know a lot of things. So Shankaracharya is a famous person. Adi Shankaracharya, he was born and brought up in Kerala. So to spread the Hindu culture, I think he started from Kerala. He went all across the India and started this small mutts. Mutt means temples kind of thing. And he put a Shankaracharya over there. That you will go and take care of the temple. Okay. So he in Sringeri at present also there is a very famous Shankaracharya. There is another place called Puri. Okay, and I think there are a couple of more, 3 or 4, Shankar Mats. Anyway, let's leave the point. So he went to Sringeri in 1908 and he touched the feet of Shankaracharya. And Shankaracharya said, okay, you have come, but I think it's too early for you. So he had to assume the post of principal of a college in Rajamandri. And he could not resist his desire to learn spiritual knowledge and went back to Sringeri. So from the college, he went back to Sringeri. Now who's there in Sringeri?
Shankaracharya.
Shankaracharya. Again, he went to Shankaracharya. Swamiji was Shankaracharya of, okay. So what happened was slowly he went into the spiritual path. Okay, reading books, collecting books and everything. And he was made the Shankaracharya of Govardhana Mutt in Puri. That is what we know. Okay. Now, what happened was he continued to decimate the holy spiritual teachings of Sanatana Dharma. Disseminate means spread. Okay. Sanatana Dharma means something which is good. Good things he started spreading. Okay. And Vedic mathematics came in between. So Vedic mathematics he discovered. So he went into Vedas. So do you understand Vedas?
Slokas, Upanishads,
Huh?
Slokas, Upanishads.
Yeah. So Vedas are very ancient scriptures. So we have Vedas like Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sama Veda, Atharva Veda. Brilliant. She knows more than me. Very good. So basically what happened was so he was I've already told he was a gifted scholar of humanities. He was a man of high stature. I think this we have covered everything. Now, the basic fundamentals people used to ask him, are these sutras written in the Vedas or not? Or are you making it up? You understood? If there is any formula, the formula in the book, in your textbook, your teacher won't write, right? Somebody else will write. So we'll have to find the source of that. So that is what happened. People started questioning him why, and they didn't get a nice answer from them. Okay. Okay, so what happened was simply, I would say, the definition is very big and it connotes and implies that our India and Vedic lore should all round complete, perfect, and able to throw light to the fullest necessary light of all matters. So basically, what they were telling us is our Vedas, they were not able to say where it is. They were all throughout saying Vedas has everything. That's it. So they kind of progressed with that. They couldn't help it. But Swamiji, published this book in 1965. He gave a lot of lectures in various universities and he did well. He did well. So basically, this book covers, which I showed, about a lot of arithmetic calculations. Okay. And it has 16 sutras. Do you understand what a sutra is? Sutra is a formula. Can you tell me one formula in maths? Circle formula, straight line formula, any formula. So which class are you in, Charvik?
Me, I am in class 3, 3rd grade H.
3rd grade. I think you are quite young for this course, but still you can sit if you want. I won't stop you.
Okay.
Okay, some of the things you will not be able to understand and you will not be able to appreciate. Can you give me some formulas? Anvita, which class are you in?
Grade.
Huh?
5th grade.
Grade what?
5th grade.
5th. So 5th grade, any formulas they taught you in maths? Have you heard of the term formula? Meera?
No, I don't know.
Okay, not a problem. You have not heard? You have not heard. Let's not get into it. Okay, so let's start our first sutra. Sutra is nothing but a formula of doing mathematics. Okay, so Charvik, you will understand a bit, but you won't understand all. Okay, so
Okay.
what you understand, you grasp it. What you don't understand, leave it.
Okay.
Okay, because this requires some kind of higher mathematics.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see. Simple thing. Like if you have to multiply 8 with 7, what is 8 into 7? 56.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what we do, we take a base of 10. What is a base?
We are not going to be.
Any idea what is a base?
It's a base. We are not going to still base now.
You see, right? Suppose you in school, when you go to school, okay, let's keep this as base. Anything above it, we will do that. We will do this. Anything below it, we will do that. You understood?
Yeah.
Base is what? A foundation type thing. Okay. Anything above it, we'll do this. Anything below it, we'll do something else. Like that. So take 10 as base, subtract each member from 10 and write down the numbers like this. 8 minus 10 is 2.
Okay.
Okay. 7 minus 10 is minus 3. Got it?
Yeah.
And put the numbers like this. One below the 8 and 7. 2 and minus 2. 7 and minus 3. So tell me, Charvik, how did you get minus 2?
Because we minus 8 with 10.
No. Can you tell me in detail?
In detail, we said 10 was the base, so we minus 8 with 10 and we got.
No, don't tell it like that. 10 is, we got minus 2 because we did 8 minus 10. That's what I'm looking for and as an answer. Got it?
Yeah.
How did you get minus 3?
I got minus 3 because I minus 7
No.
from 10.
Again, you are doing the same thing. 7 minus 10.
7 minus 10.
That's what I'm looking at.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
That's what you should do. This is how the Vedic mathematics is. This is how. Okay. Now these multiplications only work if your number, these two numbers are closer to the base.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
Like 8 and 7 are closer to 10, right?
Yeah.
So they will only work when they are closer to base. If you take 2, 3, or it won't work properly. Sometimes it might work, the other times it might not work. Okay.
Okay.
Now what you do, you write 8, you keep a note of it, how I've written it, please.
Okay.
8 minus 2, 7 minus 3. Fine?
Okay.
Okay. Now what you do, you vertically multiply these two. Minus 2 and what is this? Minus 3. So minus 2 and minus 3 is what?
Minus 2 and minus 3 is 0.
Minus 2 and minus 3 is plus 6.
Yeah, plus is 6. Plus makes 6 and minus with 2 and 3.
Wait. Why did you tell 0?
As you can't minus 2 and 3 because 3 is 3 is more than 2 and 2 is less.
Yeah, so
He
go on
doesn't know
mute
about
now.
minus.
Go on mute for a second.
These rules he doesn't know.
Mute for a second. Let me explain. Have you done negative multiplications in school?
No, I have not. I don't know.
Okay, then this is a problem for you.
Yeah.
Okay. The age limit for this course is 10 years. Okay, you can continue sitting over here. I don't have an issue. But since you won't understand, I'm just thinking. So I'll go to Anvita. -2 minus 3 is what?
6. 6.
6, right? -2 minus 4 is what?
8.
8. Okay, just mute yourself and I will call Dakshita. She's been silent for quite some time. -5 into -2 is what?
I also don't know.
Which class are you in?
Third standard.
That is a problem. Okay. Fine. Just watch I'm doing. If you can grasp something, great. So Anvita and Meera. So which class are you in?
Sixth standard.
Okay. -2 into -4 is what?
Into -4.
Puta, if anything, minus
6.
-2 into -4 is what?
6.
Here.
Mute yourself, Sharvik.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Meera, what is -2 into -6?
Sorry, I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
Okay, I'm just asking, which class are you in? 5th standard?
Sixth.
6th. Do you know 6 into 2?
Yes.
So you should know -2 into -6. What is minus into minus?
Don't know.
Plus. Minus into plus? Have they taught you in school? Okay, no issues. I don't want to ask you further questions. So I think the only person which understands this is Anvita. So 8 and -2, 3 and -3. Anvita, are you looking at the screen?
Yes, sir.
So this is how you should put the numbers. Okay.
Okay.
And if you vertically multiply, what you get? -2 into -3?
6.
6. Put down 6 here. And you should subtract these two. 8 minus 3 or 7 minus 2. Both will give you the same answer. 5. So answer is 56. Got it?
Yes,
That's how you should do.
Okay.
You can ask me doubts now if you have. I'll wait because this is a very important concept. If you don't know this one, then the rest one you will not be able to understand. So tell me, you got it?
So this is a concept for figuring out the answer for 8 times 7, right, sir?
Yeah, this is the concept for 8 times 7. What you have to do is the first step is take 10 as base. Why do you take 10 as base, not 100 or 1000? Because 8 and 7 are closer to 10. Got it?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Simple. Subtract each number from 10 and write down the number. Subtract each from 10. So 8 minus 10 is minus 2. 7 minus 3 is 7 minus 10 is minus 3. Like that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And you vertically multiply it. You get 6. And you cross subtract or you cross add. Okay. Whatever
Okay.
it is. And you will get the answer and put it below this. Okay, now if you have understood, you claim that you have understood this, which is good. Now, can you do one more thing? 9 into 9. Using this method only, using the Vedic mathematics method only, not what is taught in your school. So first, what will you take? You will take 10 as the base.
Yes, sir.
From the base, you will subtract 9. You will put 9 adjacent to it. You will put 9 minus 10. Same thing below. 9 and 9 minus 10. Sharvik? Yeah, is your mother there?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you call her?
Yeah. I'll call. Just a second. Wait.
Hello.
Yeah, hello ma'am. This is Murli, the teacher. I think he's enthusiastic. I appreciate that. He wants to learn, but I think he's too young for this. I usually
Yeah.
take 5th standard or 6th standard because he'll struggle. He's struggling in the first one itself.
Yeah, because they didn't learn about
Minuses sign. No, minuses sign will be there across the board.
Okay.
So my suggestion is you wait for some years, please.
Okay. No problem.
Or if he's really interested, if he understands all these things, then he can come back.
Oh,
I don't have an issue.
yeah.
I really appreciate his enthusiasm.
Yeah, actually he likes math, so he wanted to join today.
Yeah, no problem. You can join it, but if he doesn't
Yeah, I can
understand,
understand
then
it's difficult for him.
yeah, then there is no point, right?
Yes.
You know, that's what. Yeah, Anvita, you can tell.
Yes, I got 81 as the answer, sir.
Okay, so you got -1 and -1 in the verticals, right side?
Yes, yes.
-1 into -1 is 1.
1,
9 into
yeah.
9 is 81. 9,
Yes.
what? 9 minus 1 is 8. Am I
Yes.
correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me give you a few more. Do 9 into 6
Okay.
using this method. One second. This girl should know. Meera?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so are you still sure you don't know subtraction, how to multiply numbers using negative numbers?
I know to multiply numbers.
See, if you know 3 into 4, you should also know -3 into -4. Think about it.
Can you tell me the way one more time?
Sorry, sorry, Meera.
Can you tell me the way to do this one more time?
Can you tell me what?
Can you tell me the way one more time?
Somehow my ear is also not working properly. Can you tell me the Beera? What have you said?
She said, can you tell the concept again, sir?
Okay. See, see, Meera, the concept is very simple. You should be able to grasp it. I know you are capable. See, 8 into 7. Let's go slowly. I will not cover more than this. What we do is we first take 10 as the base. Okay. Why 10? Because 8 and 7 are closer to 10, right?
To 10.
Then 0 or to 20 or to 1000, 10,000, 100. Okay, we take that. That's the second step. Third step is from the base, you subtract these numbers 8 and 7. Like 8, you see this screen? 8 minus 7, 8 minus 10, 7 minus 10. So what is 8 minus 10? Opposite of 10 minus 8.
-2.
So 10 minus 8 is what? 2. 10 minus 8 will be minus 2. From a smaller number, you are trying to get a. From a smaller number, you are trying to get out something, right? Which is bigger. It is not possible. So you'll have a negative number. Got it? Now you have 3 rupees, suppose. Okay. And you have to give me 5 rupees. Fine. I'll take all the 3 rupees and I'll tell you to keep a note in your notebook that you have to give me how many rupees?
2 rupees.
2 rupees. So minus is on you. You have to give me. You have a negative balance. Right? Like that. 10 minus 8 is minus 2. Minus 3 minus 10 is minus 3. See where the negative number is. Wherever the negative number is, if it is higher than the one before it, put a minus sign on that number. Okay. Once you have done, you write in a straight line 8 and minus 2, 7 and minus 3. These two vertical lines which you see, you need to vertically multiply. Minus 2 into minus 3 is what? 6. Why not minus 6? Minus into minus is plus. Minus into plus is minus. Minus into plus into plus is plus. So that is why it comes out as 6. And this is 8 minus 3 or 7 minus 5, whichever you take. If you start from here or here, it gives you the same answer as 5. Answer is 56. Got it? Can you attempt 9 into 9? Using this, how I have done it? Meera?
Sir, I've got the answer for 9 times 6. I got 54.
9 times?
6.
Okay. Try 9 times 5.
Okay.
Okay. So Meera, try 9 times 6. Right, one by one. First step, take base as 10. Subtract the numbers from 10. That is 9 minus 10 and 6 minus 10. Then put the numbers like this, cross multiply, subtract, whichever way, and answer is done. Where is this? Dakshita.
Yes, sir.
What are you doing? Hmm? What are you doing?
I don't understand.
You are too young, actually. That's why.
Sir, I'm done with 9 times 5. I got 45.
Using the Vedic mathematics method.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now do 7 times 7.
Okay, sir.
So, Meera, which one are you doing?
Sir, 9 into 6.
Okay, do that. Do that slowly. Take your own time.
Okay, sir.
I'm done, sir. 49 I got.
Yeah, that's correct. Very good. You're going pretty fast. So let me give you some. Okay, I think these are all straightforward ones. Mm, can you try 97 into 97?
Okay, I'll try.
Okay, now before trying, can you tell me which base you will take?
Sorry, sir. What did you ask?
Yeah, my question is, before trying, can you tell me which base you will take?
Sir, I know Charvik.
हाँ
Sir, I know Charvik.
क्या हुआ और कोई बात कर रहा है क्या?
I don't know Hindi, I know French. I know Charvik.
Correct.
Sir, I know the answer Charvik. It's 100. It's 100, sir.
One second, everybody just go on mute except for Anvita. I'm asking her a question. So why are you coming in between? Okay, Anvita, so which base would you take for 97 into 97?
I don't know what you mean, sir.
See, for single digit numbers, we took base as 10.
Yes, sir.
Why we took base as 10? I think we discussed already.
Yes, sir, because they're closer to the base 10.
10. So for
Yes.
97 into 97, think in that direction and answer the question.
I think it is close to 100, sir.
Yeah, you are right. Very good. So your base would be what?
100, sir.
Yeah. So go ahead and solve the problem. You don't need my help. You can do it. Yeah, Meera.
Sir, I got 52.
Louder.
Sir, I got 52.
52. Which one was it?
9 into 6.
9 into 6 is not 52. 54 you should have got. देखो वापस एक बार.
have doubt.
Yeah.
9 minus 4 is 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. So we got 5 there, right?
9 minus 4 is 5 and
6 minus 1 is 5.
right.
So what we do then?
Yeah, so both are same. No, I told you. Both will be take any one of them. 5, 5, or y and put it down. Put 5 down.
Yes. Then what we do then? What is the next step?
What we do then? What did I tell you on the right side? What should happen on the numbers? You should vertically multiply. बराबर की नहीं? Okay, Anvita, check with your calculator.
Okay.
So आपका नंबर क्या है? Meera.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so what is your number?
What number, sir?
You put your headset near your. I'm not able to hear.
Sir, 9 into 6?
9 into 6. So 9 minus 10 is what?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. 6 minus 10?
Minus 4.
Minus 4. So minus 1 into minus 4 is what?
5.
Minus 1 into minus 4.
Sorry, 1. 4.
Ah,
Oh, I got it now.
I got it now. Right. Just be careful. Okay, Meera. Yeah, Meera, tell me. Unmute yourself. Sorry, not Meera. Anvita, unmute yourself.
Okay, sir. I'm getting 949, but on calculator I'm getting 9409. Where does the zero come from?
Chakkar hai wo. I'll show you. So, 1 second. I'll come back to you. I think we have Meera. She can solve some other problems. Meera, you try 8 into 6. Okay, Anvita, I'm trying to solve the problem for you. So your question was what? 97?
So I got 949, sir. But on calculator I'm getting 9409.
Yeah, so I also don't know why you got so high. So we'll figure it out. Don't worry. So 97. 97 यानी कितना? -3.
Yes, sir.
दूसरा भी 97 है. उसका भी कितना है?
-3, sir.
-3. अभी एक चीज बताओ. Okay, 97 into 97. 97 minus 3 is what?
94, sir.
94. मैं एक पाइप डाल रहा हूं just to separate these two. ठीक है? Don't get confused.
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे क्या है? 9 है.
Yes, sir.
बराबर? Okay, I don't think you understand Hindi. So tell me one thing. If you multiply a higher two-digit number with a two-digit number, what will you get? How many digits you will get?
4 digits.
4-digit number. Correct. You're absolutely correct. So 97 is a higher two-digit number. Again, 97 is a higher two-digit number. So this is an exceptional case. This rule of subtracting and doesn't work for everything. Okay. There are cases where it fails. When it fails, you have to find a solution for it. No, it has failed in this case. So how will you solve it? You put a 0 over here.
Okay, sir.
Okay, if you put a 0, it becomes a 4-digit.
Yes, sir.
It will solve your problem. Done.
Okay.
You try 98 into 98.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Please.
Sir, I got 48.
8 6 48. Correct.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You understood now? Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's okay, do one more. 9 into 7 using the Vedic mathematics method.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I got for 98 times 98, 9,604.
Yeah, correct. So you did introduce a 0, right?
Yes.
Yeah, makes sense. Correct. That's correct.
So any other problems will you give me?
Yeah, I can give you. Can you try 99 into 91?
Yes, sir.
See, as we go ahead slowly, we'll hit into an exception. You try this number, it will fail, I think.
Yes,
Right.
sir. Because 99 is close to 100 and 91 is close to 90. So
No. We always take bases mostly as 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, something like that. You can work with the assumption that the base is 100. That's not an issue. It will work out. Dakshita?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, is your mother or father there available?
Mother is
Yeah.
here.
Okay, can I speak to her?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello ma'am. My name is Murli. See, basically, I think she is in class class 3, right?
Yes, sir. Like this is a little bit advanced, maybe.
Yeah, so I feel she's too young for this.
Okay, sir. Thank
We had issues with earlier children also where they were struggling to understand what we are trying to do. So we have put a cap of age 6.
Okay. Like we
Because
also
she-
don't know about this, like what is what. So that's the reason. Like
Yeah, I told Pratibha ji
Oh.
about the cap because they are young. Suddenly, if I introduce something new altogether, they will not appreciate it.
Okay.
It doesn't serve. They will get confused more.
Yeah.
So let's kind of give them some time,
Okay, sir. Okay.
at least couple of years more, for
Okay.
sure.
Thank
Then
you.
we can take a call. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Sure.
We'll-
Thank you.
We'll leave the meet, sir. Thank you.
You can do that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So, sir, I actually am not getting the right answer. When I subtract 99 minus 1, I'm getting 98. When I subtract 91 minus 9, I get 82. The both
One
the
second.
answers
You're doing a mistake. 99 minus 100 you should do, na?
are yes, sir. When I did 99 minus 100, I got my minus 1.
Okay, that is right. Minus 1. And this is
91.
minus 9, right?
Yes. Yes.
So abhi when you cross put the numbers 91 उसके बाद क्या क्या आता है वो 91 I'm sorry
91 and
I'll have to go back
91 and minus 9.
91 and minus 9. Oh, sorry. Or 91 and minus 9 again. Right?
You said 99 times 91, sir.
Okay. इसको 99 पकड़ो फिर. तो
Yes,
यहाँ आ
sir.
गया यहाँ पे आ गया -1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
अभी इसको ये जो नंबर है इसको
Sir, I don't
cross
understand. I don't understand Hindi, sir.
Okay, so you cross subtract 91 minus 1 and 91 or 99 minus 9. Both will give you the same result as 90. Correct?
Oh, yes, sir. I actually
And 9.
placed the order.
And 9. But you have to put a 0. Why you have to
I
put a
don't
0?
see the bottom of your screen, sir. Can you scroll down a little?
Yeah, I'll do that. No problem.
Okay.
Are you able to see?
Yes, sir. So it's the same as last time. You all have to add a 0. Okay.
So, where are you from?
I'm from. Do you want me to say where I'm living now or where I was born? New Jersey, USA.
You are in US right now.
Yeah.
Okay, I can understand. You won't understand Hindi. Okay, we have a question from Meera. Please ask, Meera.
Sir, I got 63 and 9 into 7, 63.
Okay, fine. Okay. Can you try 99 into 99? Meera.
Yeah, I'll try, sir.
And for you, I will show you one interesting number.
Okay.
93 into 94.
Okay, sir.
Where do you stay, Meera?
Sorry, sir.
Where do you stay? Which city?
I'm from India, Kerala.
Kerala. Okay, good. See, I have regular classes going on for some 4 or 5 kids. It's on Sundays, early morning, 7 a.m. Okay, to make the US guys comfortable because 3, 4 guys are from US. That's the thing. So I will not let you join that class so soon. You will not understand anything. So let this go for a couple of weeks and then we will club with them. Got it?
Okay,
That's my
sir.
plan. That's my plan. So, Anvita, what did you
Yes,
get
sir.
as an answer on
I'm
the right
still,
side? You're still doing it?
on the right side, I got 42, sir.
42.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, that's correct. It's possible. I gave a wrong number to multiply. I think the one after that will be the last one, which you will do, and you will realize that that is an exception. But you complete this. So, do you belong to the Mohanji group?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mira.
I got 981.
And what was the question?
99 into 99.
$99 into
99.
Sir, for 93 times 94, I got 8,742.
Yeah, just give me a minute. I'll come back.
Okay, sir.
So, what is the answer you got? 981.
Yes, sir.
Mira.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is wrong answer. Think why it is wrong. There is some in between, some number is missing. I just explain it to Anvita. If you see these numbers, if you multiply a 2-digit number, higher side, the 2-digit number, what answer will you get? A 3-digit number? If you multiply 95 into 96, you should get a 4-digit number, no? Correct. So what you need to do is, you need to introduce a number 0 just after 1, just before 1. So it becomes what? 9801. 9801. In all cases. Okay, I'll give you one number.
Before the last number, right?
Yeah, before the last, before 1. Before 1. Okay, Anvita, try 96 into 97.
Okay, sir.
And same with Mira also. Before we end the class, one more Vedic mathematics multiplication. 96 into 97. See, the multiplication that we are doing, it is called Nikhilam multiplication. Nikhilam. Nikhilam means last from, all from 9, last from 10. But that particular phrase or sutra doesn't suit to any multiplication numbers. but still they have named it like that. So the one you have doing it is called Nikhilam. Always remember that. Somebody will ask you, what have you taught in Vedic maths multiplication? You can say Nikhilam multiplication.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 97 into 96, right?
97 into 96. Correct.
Okay.
I think this one also will not have an exception, which I'm looking at. I need to give some numbers which will give you an exception.
Yeah, I'm done, sir. I got 9,312.
Yeah, correct. You are absolutely correct. But let me give you one number, one multiplication, and show you where it fails, where the exception fails. Okay, I got it. Try multiplying 88 into 88.
Okay, sir.
So sorry. So what base you will take?
What? Sorry, sir. What were you
What
asking?
what base?
80,
No, 100.
100 again. Okay, sir.
Yeah, the bases will be either 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 like that.
Okay, sir.
I'll later show you how the bases can be reduced to 50 or 60 or something like that, or 70. We'll see that later, but for this purpose, Nicolam's Sutram, the basis is 10, 100 like that.
Sir,
Yeah, what happened?
I got 93,012.
Uh-huh.
93,012.
1 second. I'm just doing it myself. 1 second. So, oh. No. Plus 96 plus 4, 93. Right? 12. So tell me one thing. I think you both have done it. On the left hand side, what is the number?
For which equation, sir?
97 into 96.
On the side, I have got -4 and -3, which equals 12.
How come -4 and -3?
Sir, 100 minus 97 and 100 minus 96.
It is, what was the question?
96.
97 into 96.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 second. I'm sorry. Scrap that one and do 88 into 88.
Yes.
Last and
Sir,
final.
Yes, sir. I am getting 76,144, which is more than 4 digits. So you see.
That is where the problem is. So this is an exceptional case. You understood? The initial formulae which I showed you at the beginning of the class, it
Yes,
fails
sir.
here. So what they have done is, these Swamijis, they have done the initial groundwork and they have found, okay, ये इसमें नहीं चलता है, अभी क्या करना पड़ेगा? I mean, something has to be done. So they have introduced something. So what happens is 88 is 12 short of 100,
Yes.
right? So it
Yes.
comes as minus 12. Next 88 is also 12 short of 100.
Yeah.
Okay, so 88 minus 12 is what? 676.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Pipe, एक pipe डाल दिया, separator. 12 into 12 is
144.
44.
Yes.
So what you have to do is, you see that 1,
Yes.
144 ka 1, that 1.
Yes. Yes,
You
sir.
have to move it to the left side and add it to 6. So it means it is 7, 6 plus 1, 44. 7, 7, 44 is the answer.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Yes.
You can check with a calculator also if this works or not. I haven't
Okay.
checked it, but this is how it is. They have always done it like this with the Vedic mathematics guys. It works out well. One second. Let me open the calculator. Actually, I changed my phone. Nothing is working in this. Horrible phone. Nonsense. So 88 into 88. Perfect. 7744.
Okay.
So you will have to do the same thing. If you get an extra number, take the 1, take that number and slowly add it to the right hand side to get a 4-digit number. Something like that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is one of the exceptions that we have seen. What have we seen? Other exceptions? I'll teach you later.
When we get 3-digit number, that's an exceptional case too. We need to add a 0.
Yeah, exactly. So when we get a 3-digit number, when we are supposed to get a 4-digit number, we add a 0 to make it a 4-digit number. It works. ऐसा नहीं कि it doesn't work. It will work. The third and the most interesting thing is, I will not cover over here because your weekend will be spoiled. It is, if you multiply the verticals, right, you will get a negative number. Got it? You got 144, right? 12 into 12.
Yes, sir.
There is a situation that you will get minus 144. ऐसा भी cases है multiply करते समय. I will show you that and how to deal with it. It's not a big issue. It's small change that you have to do.
Okay, sir.
But sometimes what happens when I tell people, they feel, it's like it doesn't have any logic as to why. But I'll tell you why the logic is there and why it is correct. Okay, I think we've covered a lot. We still have to cover a lot. We'll go slow. You are only 2. I would have liked another 2 more. But वो तो बच्चे लोग हैं, उन लोग समझ में, they will not understand that.
Okay, sir.
So this time is fine with you,
Yes, sir.
Meera and Anvita. This time is fine.
Fine with me, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you guys in EBC
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
active?
Yeah.
Okay, great. No problem. I mean, in case there is a postponement or the class is advanced, something like that. The problem is of time zones also. She is in where? Which city? New Jersey. That is morning. Yours is now morning. Ours is evening. Okay, I think this is the best time.
Yeah.
Saturday evening is the best time. The schools are also not there. Sunday we can relax. Okay. So how did you find the class? Is it interesting?
Yes, sir. It was very interesting. I enjoyed it.
You enjoyed it. Okay. Fine. There are many books available. I can. So as we go through, I'll tell you more about it. Okay, which one? If it is possible, if you're interested, keen, you can buy some small Vedic mathematics books. But the problem is, everybody has tweaked the basic concepts of Vedic mathematics. I've gone through so many books. The original book is the ultimate book. Okay, everybody else has kind of tweaked it and kind of changed it. I don't know whether I should call it as Vedic mathematics or his own mathematics. I'm lost, but it works. Anyway, I'll close the call or else I will not stop. I have that problem. Okay, you guys have a nice weekend. See you next week.
You too, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very
Thank
much,
you.
Jai Mohanji. क्या हो गया ये? Hmm.